Hello everyone. So we are solving grade 8 mathematics chapter number 12 factorization CBSE examples. Exercise 12.1 question number 2. The question number 1 we have already solved previously. Let's start with the question number 2. The question 2 is that factorize the following expressions. So here we need to factorize. What is the factorization? We need to get the factors of the given expression and then factorization. So first example is 7x minus 42. So first of all we need to factor out each of the term. 7x can be factored as 7 into x. Now 42, it is a constant number, we need to factorize. So as 42 is the even number, it can be factorized divided by the 2. So 21 2s are 42 or vice versa. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. We got the answer 21. Now 21 is the not even number, it cannot be divisible by 2. So we can move to the next prime number, that is the 3. 3 7 are 21. Now 7 is itself is a prime number, so 7 1s are 7. 42 can be factorized as 2 into 3 into 7. Now if you observe here, you can see that in the both the terms 7 is the common number and so the common factor is 7. Therefore 7x minus 42. So 7x can written as 7 into x and 42 can written as 2 into 3 into 7. The 7 is the common number. We will take out the common. What is the remaining here? X. So x is the first term. Minus sign will be appear as it is. There is no change in the sign. And 2 into 3 will become what? 6. So 7x minus 42 can be factorized as 7 into bracket x minus 6. That is the answer. So we will solve the whole question of this exercise 12.1. Keep on watching.